Today we're going to take a look at Smart vCard, a digital business card generator that lets you create free digital business cards, beautiful, responsive, HTML based. You can buy a white label agency license for $37 from Appsumo, and this is probably one of the easiest, best side hustles to get started with right now. But let's look at the actual tool and see what it does. So I'm going to get started by uploading my brand logo and my headshot. And notice here that it gives you the pixel recommendations. Now we're just going to fill out the vCard information. When you click this Save to Contact button, this is the information that would go into the person's phone. So fill it out how you want it to show up in the person's phone. And I'm just going to go with a brief description. I make YouTube videos. Maybe we should go with I make amazing YouTube videos and an exclamation point. And our primary options are going to come underneath the Save to Contact. But for this purpose, if you can't tell, we're creating it for aiPROFITz. I'm just going to go with a messenger for aiPROFITz, as well as my email address and website. Now, secondary actions are all of the different social medias. So you can do buy me a coffee, which is pretty cool. That's a way to get donations. We're just going to go with the 5 for now. And I'm going to put YouTube first. And then we got featured content. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to go with featured product, and we're going to add a product, and that product is going to be Smart vCard. For our product description, we're just going to go with the product description here, $37, and the button link, we're going to paste in our affiliate link for Smart vCard. So I'm just going to paste that in here. I'm using Switchy to forward that link, and I'm going to say Get Smart vCard on the button. And here we'll see the featured products. Now what you can do is also add an image, and I would highly recommend doing something like that. It just makes it look overall better. And featured products, Smart vCard. And we're also going to add another section, and we're going to say watch my Smart vCard review. And on the Smart vCard review video, I'm going to embed a YouTube code. I haven't uploaded in forever. Kind of embarrassing, but I've been very busy with real estate photography. And I look to get back into this as the season slows and we head into more of an off season. So I'm going to copy this embed code, exit out, and we will just paste it in here. After this video, I will paste in my actual Smart vCard review video, and I think we're done embedding the video. So it's just copy and paste simple. Now I want to customize this footer, and I want to say fueled by, and then we're going to go with Rocket Stripe, and then we're just going to paste in our Rocket Stripe domain. Now, if you're selling these as a side hustle, I would link to the sales page here because people like the card. They say, oh, that's cool. How do you do it? Blah, blah, blah. They're linked down at the bottom. So instead of linking to just a generic agency page, I would link to an actual sales page for this service. That's just my opinion. Do as you wish. Simplifying the card if we toggle it on. So this is perfect if you do a lot of face-to-face and you really just want your contact information into the person's phone. You don't actually want them to get distracted by all the other stuff. Search engine visibility, we can go ahead and just give it a name. I really don't think our search engine visibility is going to matter. I don't think you're going to be using one of these to actually rank. However, I guess it doesn't hurt to toggle it on or off based on your needs. And color customization. Now here's where you want to come in and add whatever colors you want to kind of make it pop. So I'm going to go in the purples. We could probably tweak it a slight bit more, make it maybe more in the blues than the purples, keeping a little bit of purple in there. And I think we're pretty much done. Now I'm going to paste in aiPROFITz.com Smart vCard as our URL. And I do need to show you how we add this to our actual website. It may be a little bit cumbersome. You can pay them $20 a year. I'm just going to check off the download saying that we're not using any harmful links, that we verified that everything works. Now, if you want to verify that the stuff works, you can come over here and you can click it and you can see that, yes, it does take me to the YouTube page. Let's go ahead and download the zip. And if you don't want to do it yourself, you can pay them within one business day, $20 per year. You can use their hosting. However, it is very easy to do it yourself. So I'm navigating to where the zip file is, and I'm going to go ahead and extract that using Archive Utility on a Mac. You do need a hosting account for this. If you're going to do it for a business, just get a resell hosting account. It's like $20 a month. I use Virotech, and I've never had any problems. It's fantastic. However, you can use really anyone, and there might be ways that we can do this for free as well. We can look into that in the future. But let's navigate to File Manager under cPanel. And let's come into public HTML, click new folder. And in this new folder name, we're going to call it Smart vCard. However, this is going to be whatever permalink you want. So maybe you want it to say your name, or maybe you want it to, whatever you want it to say, but we're going to go ahead and create this new folder. And once we've done that, we can come underneath for the directory and we can click upload, navigate back to where we downloaded our downloads folder. And we're going to come in underneath. I'm simply going to drag all of this information and we're going to upload it. Now, what you'll notice is the media isn't uploading. That's because it's a folder. I wouldn't worry too much about it. If you do have problems, you can come back here underneath and you can click new folder and you can call it media, create a new folder. Underneath that media folder, you can then go in and you can upload the screenshot if you need to do so. So let's go ahead and refresh our aiPROFITz Smart vCard, and there we'll see our digital business card that we created. Personally, I think it looks really good. It took not very long at all. I've been recording for 11 minutes, 12 minutes, and I've been talking a lot while I did it. You want to see us build a business? I think we could make $1,000 in 30 days with Smart vCard. And if you want to see that, leave a comment down below. Hit the like button. Need some accountability as we get aiPROFITz back up off the ground, dust it off, and start making these YouTube videos again. My name is Scott with aiPROFITz.com. Pick up Smart vCard with the link in the description. Help support the channel. I would thoroughly appreciate it. Hopefully you're doing well, and we'll see you in the next one.